Good morning, everyone. It's a nice morning here for a hunt, and just to the right of the tree, this big oak tree here, you should see some movement in the bushes out front. And these deer have filtered down from up on a ridge about 150 yards away, and now they're popping out behind the tree. This doe has she's the first to come out of the four, and she takes a look at me and she is really not sure at this point. I did have some good back cover, but you notice here that she's pausing and doing her neck around, and she is very uneasy about that, but I was really still, and I was able to pass by undetected, I guess, or not totally undetected. But she decides to move on, and they're going to come out from behind the tree, the rest of them going behind this little bush. And so once they get behind the bush, I decide that it'll be a good opportunity to draw my bow because they're not paying attention. So I get my pin over and in the area where she's at, and I'm hoping I don't have to stop her, and because my wind is shooting right about in the direction. She's just about to make my wind, and so she pauses, and I was able to let an arrow fly and have some success. So it worked out. Sunday, October the 8th. Just got one down over on this big property that I get to hunt. Let me see. Maybe you can see over there. I think you can. It's a little bit shaky. They came in from up the way. They came in from about 150 yards when I first noticed them, and then filtered down, and they're about to make my wind, and decided to take the shot. Should see. There she is, laying right down there. Anyway, beautiful morning, about 50 degrees, clear, rained last night, rained till about 11:30, and then kind of rained a couple times yesterday, then finally it broke, and so got up this morning, got in about, I guess I was up and in at 6 or so. October the 8th on this bigger property that I've been hunting. These girls were feeding about 100, 150 yards up that way, and then I had been in a stand about an hour, and these four girls came down, and I was able to get this one. And my stand is just over here, about 25 yards. And yeah, she did not go too far, because I did end up, I think she either ducked a little or I aimed too high, and I ended up spining her, so I put a follow-up shot. And nice healthy doe. And then got to see a big buck running by just a few minutes later, and maybe get him next time. All right, good morning.